Hello, everyone. Once again, you're welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook. Now, what we do is we analyze the market and share with you potential market moves that can help your trading decisions in the coming week. Now, talking about potential market moves, when you log into your trading account at Ingot, you scroll down to resources, you would see trade ideas. Analysis that have been already done, okay, that you can make good use of, and then we can call it trade ideas or signals. Okay, so forex, crypto, stocks, indices, commodities, they come in real time. Okay, so let's take maybe commodities for instance. You want to trade gold, you see gold there, you click on gold, and then the analysis pops up. Now it tells you the key levels that you can have a good look at as a trader. Okay, so this is intraday, this is daily signals, this is also weekly signals. Okay, we have the take profits, the stop loss, and all of that. And the nice thing I like about it is the direction. You can see the arrow, chances where it has to go. This one, for instance, you can see how far the market can go. Okay, now aside that, as you can see this special post on my screen, what it simply means is if you deposit say $100 with Ingots, your first trade, in case it doesn't go well and then maybe the trade goes against you, Ingots refunds that back to you. Okay, you are going to receive a refund of that. So you deposit $100, your first trade, the trade doesn't go as expected, Ingots does the refund. Okay, so then there's no problem, or you shouldn't panic taking your first trade, because the most important thing is to take the first step. Okay, now with the first step, I've showed you how you can assess the trading signals as well. Also, if let's say you are a busy person, you don't have the time to trade on your own, or you want to copy someone, you log into your account, you come to copy trading, you see a lot of people that you can copy from. Now let's get back to business. Okay, now we want to see how far the market is going to play out in the coming week. Okay, but one thing we need to pay attention to is, in as much as you are doing technical analysis, you should also focus on fundamental analysis. Okay, now fundamentals, we are going to look at news, okay, coming up in the coming week. So you go to Resource Hub, you go to Economic Calendar, like this. Resource Hub, Economic Calendar. Now the Economic Calendar, you scroll down, down, then you now select the date. So the date's 21st to 27th. Okay, time 7 GMT, wherever you are, you can adjust it that way. High impact news. Now the countries that you want to trade from, we have United States. We want to trade any news that comes from there, but we are going to look at the high impact news and then make a decision as to the pairs that we want to trade. Australia, Canada, the Euro area, Japan, New Zealand, Switzerland, UK. Okay, so high impact news. Okay, so now next week, we are going to see all of these news coming up. Canada, last week we had interest rate news coming from Canada. Australia, in the UK we had interest rates news coming up. So last week was very busy for forex traders, to be specific. And then Fed Powell is going to speak on 23rd. Okay, so you need to be also mindful of that. Switzerland, on Thursday there's going to be interest rates news coming from Switzerland. Okay, so if you're looking at trading in the forex markets, I would like you to pay attention to maybe USDCHF. Okay, because yesterday we had last week we had rate cards from the US. Next week we're also having interest rate news coming from Switzerland. So looking at the two, there's going to be a lot of volatility there, and if you make good use of your proper risk management and all, you can make some good money for yourself. Okay, so for me, these are the news and events coming up in the coming week. Okay, now let's look at technical analysis bits of things. Okay, so for me, I would like us to look at, in the forex market, I would like us to look at USDCHF, and USDCHF is simply United States dollar against Swiss francs. Okay, so if you look at this closely, you realize that the market has been in a downtrend for some time now. It's just pulling back, but it's been in a downtrend for some time now. So we pick our trend line, we draw this. Okay, So it just shows us, or it tells us the market has been in a downtrend for some time now. Okay, now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, as you can see this, the downtrend move started from here, okay, and then price got rejected here, and then we can see a breakout in the downtrend line. So we can see the price breaking out the downtrend line to the upside. Okay, now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, what you just have to do is you can wait for the price to come down a bit to test the downtrend line before you place your buy trade, or you can place your buy trade straight away. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for price to retest the downtrend line, or you can place, now that you have the price breaking out the downtrend line, you can place your buy trade and ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for price to come down again and break the downtrend line to the downside. Then you can place your sell trade and ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now let's look at oil. Oil, if you have a close look at oil, you would realize that the price is approaching a support or key level. Okay, so if you look at this, a moment, if you look at this closely, you would realize that the price, there's the first key level, okay, the supports, and then price moved up, it came down again to test the same support here, as you can see. Then price moved up again, it came back to test it. So if you look at it closely, that's a key, key level or a support area that as a trader you need to pay very good attention to, because this is the third time. Now if you look at the price approaching the support, and also if you're a trader looking at selling, okay, or looking out for a selling opportunity, you can wait for the price to break this support to the downside, then you place your sell trade. Okay, if you're a trader also looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for the price to come and test this support, then you can place your buy trade. Okay, once again, if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the price as it's approaching, get to the support and break it to the downside, you place your sell trade. Okay, if you're a trader also looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for the price to come down or back to the support, test it, and then if the support rejects the price to the upside, you place your buy trade. Okay, but in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Now let's look at gold. If you look at gold closely, okay, a moment, you would realize that price has had rejections twice already. Okay, if you look at it closely like this, price first, or the down move, started from here. Okay, then the price came down and then it pulled back. That was, I think, during the Fed news. It pulled back and then we saw this this spike. Okay, it got rejected by the resistance. Then as we can see the price approaching the resistance again. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in gold, you wait for this resistance to get broken to the upside, then you can place your buy trade. If you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for price to get rejected by this resistance to the downside, then you place your sell trade. Okay, in all of these, once again, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Now with gold, Bitcoin, okay, BTCUSD, if you look at it closely, you would realize that price has been in an uptrend for some time now, and the uptrend move started from here. Okay, then price moved up, it pulled back a bit and got rejected by the uptrend line. Now we can all see price testing the uptrend line at this point. Okay, it's on the verge of breaking out the uptrend line. So if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for price to break the uptrend line to the downside, you place your sell trade. If you're also a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for price to get rejected by the uptrend line to the upside, then you place your buy trade. Now once again, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me. And like I mentioned earlier, Ingot has the risk-free first trade, where you create an account with Ingots as a new trader. You deposit $100, you place your first trade, and if that trade doesn't go well, Ingot refunds that. Okay, if you're also the busy type that you want some analysis or trading signals, you can also log into your Ingot account and get your trading signals. I'll share that with you. If you're also looking out for, copying trades from others, you can come to copy trading. You look out for those who are doing well and then copy trades from them. And like I mentioned, the signals, okay, or trade ideas. You go to resources, you go to technical, you click on it, and then you have the details, okay, you have the intraday and all of that. Now, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management as indicated in these signals, and catch you next week. Bye-bye.